Hi guys,
Tori takeover.
Today we are going to be doing holiday puffcorn.
Holiday puffcorn.
So if you guys want to follow along, you can. That's interesting.
Yeah.
So today for our ingredients, we have popcorn.
Good luck finding that in the stores.
Yeah. And
there
chocolate melts. Or white chocolate melts.
They're
whatever.
multiples.
Or I guess just whatever you want to do, really.
Yeah. Usually it's white though.
Yeah, so basically, all you need is really those two ingredients, and if you want sprinkles or whatever the heck you want to add.
Yeah.
But first we need to melt these. So in order to melt these, you have to go to the microwave. And do 30-second intervals, continue to stir until it's all melted. So we're going to do that now. So
we're going to do that now. BRB.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we put it in the microwave. I did 2 minutes, but continue stirring 30-second intervals. And now it's all melted. So now what we are going to do is put it on top of the popcorn and mix it.
Let's do it.
Be careful. My bowl is really hot, so I'm going to need a towel.
Oh, yeah. Don't burn yourself. Safety first, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to use a towel.
The combination of sweet and salty.
Maybe I can't do it.
Oh, she said crap. Family Channel, Tori.
Oh, sorry.
Oh boy, look at this. I'm not usually a camera person, so I hope I'm doing this right. Oh, it looks divine. Has anyone ever had this? Has anyone ever made it? Comment below. Let Tori know how much you love her. or something.
Something like that. I feel like we should have had more.
More chocolate.
Yeah. Because it's not doing it all.
All right, Tori's going to continue to mix, and hopefully we can make this presentable. BRB. Peace.
Okay, we're back, and look.
Ooh, what a festive plate.
Yeah.
It looks fantastic.
We're going to try it.
So I guess the more you mix it, the more coated. It takes a little while.
I honestly would recommend 2 of these.
That's what I was thinking.
If you want.
But as you can see, it calls for 1 bag of candy melts.
And 1.5 bags.
1.5 bags of these. So I think, honestly, if you want it all coated, I would say get 2 of those.
Yeah.
But anyway.
But we're going to try it.
All right.
So I'm going to have this one right here.
I like that one.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Oh, think.
Merry Christmas.
It's actually really good.
That's yummy.
Yeah, that is really good. Huh.
I like that a lot, actually.
This is a big thing. Not to take over Tori's deal here, but working for Frito-Lay, this butter popcorn this time of the year, we never seem to produce enough. And people get pretty angry because this is a big deal. Almost as big as, making your own Chex Mix, snack mix stuff. But anyway, Tori takeover. Did a good job, eh?
Thank you everyone, thank you.
Tori,
Sorry for the nails.
What's Poor Guy with the Blackstone say after every video?
Stay kind. Peace.
Peace.